Google's new flagship phone Pixel 9 Pro series has finally arrived. If you're excited about getting your hands on this flagship phone, you'll definitely want to enhance your experience with some fantastic accessories. Check out our top picks for the best accessories to complement your Google Pixel 9 Pro and make the most of your new device. One accessory you won't want to overlook is the Pixel Watch 2, a perfect companion for your Google Pixel 9 Pro. Announced on October 4, 2023, and available starting October 12, this stylish smartwatch boasts a compact design with dimensions of 41 by 41 by 12.3 mm and a lightweight body at just 31 grams. The Pixel Watch 2 features a stunning 1.2-inch AMOLED display, offering vibrant visuals with a peak brightness of 1000 nits and a resolution of 450 by 450 pixels. Its durable build, with Gorilla Glass 5 protection and an aluminum frame, ensures it can withstand daily wear. Equipped with impressive health sensors, including heart rate monitoring and SpO2 tracking, it promotes a healthier lifestyle while supporting seamless connectivity through Bluetooth 5.0 and NFC. With a water resistance rating of 50 this smartwatch is ready for any adventure, making it a must-have for Pixel 9 Pro users. The Pixel Buds Pro is the most advanced wireless earbuds, perfect for complementing your Google Pixel 9 Pro. With a design evolution from previous models, these earbuds maintain a sleek look while introducing features like active noise cancellation, ANC, and transparency mode. Weighing in at just 6.2 grams each, the Pixel Buds Pro are lightweight and comfortable for extended use. They come with customizable silicone tips in 3 sizes, ensuring a snug fit for most users. The earbuds are available in various colors, including coral, fog, charcoal, and lemongrass, providing a stylish touch to your audio experience. With a claimed battery life of up to 11 hours with ANC disabled, these earbuds keep the music playing all day. They support Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless connectivity and include features like Google Assistant integration and multi-point pairing. While the sound quality is solid, some users may find room for improvement in ANC performance and software stability. Overall, the Pixel Buds Pro are a worthy addition to your Pixel 9 Pro setup. Then we have the Anker 3-in-1 portable charger. It is an essential accessory for your Google Pixel 9 Pro, offering a powerful and convenient solution for charging on the go. With a capacity of 10,000 mAh, this power bank can keep your device energized throughout the day. Designed with portability in mind, the Anker charger features a built-in USB-C cable and a foldable AC plug, making it perfect for travel. It supports a maximum output of 30 watts, ensuring fast charging for your Pixel 9 Pro and other devices. Whether you're using it for your smartphone, tablet, or even a MacBook, this versatile charger has you covered. Its compact design easily fits into a bag or pocket, and the reliable Anker brand ensures quality and durability. Say goodbye to low battery anxiety and keep your devices charged with the Anker 3-in-1 portable charger, making it a must-have accessory for any Pixel 9 Pro user. Now check out, 2nd Gen wireless Pixel charging stand is an indispensable accessory for your Google Pixel 9 Pro, providing fast and convenient charging. With a powerful output of up to 23 watts, this stand delivers the same speed as a wired charger, allowing you to power up your device effortlessly. Simply place your phone on the stand case and let it charge. Designed for functionality, the Pixel stand holds your phone upright, making it perfect for multitasking. Whether you're on a video call via Google Meet, streaming your favorite shows, or controlling your smart home devices, this stand keeps your Pixel at the ideal angle. Its nearly silent built-in fan ensures that your phone stays cool during intense use, while also turning your device into a digital photo frame with Google Photos. The Pixel charging stand enhances your experience, making it a must-have for any Pixel 9 Pro owner. Up next, the Spigen USB-C wall charger is a great accessory for your Google Pixel 9 Pro, delivering impressive charging capabilities in a compact design. With dual USB-C PD/PPS charging ports, this charger offers super fast charging speeds of up to 65 watts, making it perfect for powering your Pixel and other devices simultaneously. When using a single port, you can enjoy the full 65 watts, while dual charging supports 40 watts and 25 watts outputs. Thanks to advanced GaN gallium nitride technology, this charger is 53% smaller than traditional chargers, enhancing performance and efficiency. It operates with minimal heat generation, ensuring safe and reliable charging. Equipped with intelligent safety technology, it manages 15 safety standards, providing peace of mind while you charge your devices. Users rave about the Spigen USB-C wall charger, praising its rapid charging speed, solid build quality, and compact size. It's the perfect companion to keep your Pixel 9 Pro powered up and ready for anything. Now, take a look at the Spigen screen protector. Crafted from durable tempered glass, it boasts an impressive 9H hardness rating, ensuring that your screen is safeguarded against scratches and everyday wear and tear. One of the standout features of this screen protector is its innovative auto-alignment installation kit, which makes the application effortless and precise. No more struggling with bubbles or misalignments, just place it on your screen, and it aligns perfectly. Designed to be case compatible, this screen protector fits seamlessly with various Spigen cases, offering complete protection without compromising style. Plus, it features an oleophobic coating that resists fingerprints and smudges, keeping your screen looking clean and clear. With the Spigen screen protector, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your Pixel 9 Pro's display is well protected and ready for anything. Lastly, the PopSockets Swappable PopGrip is a fantastic accessory for your Google Pixel 9 Pro, elevating both functionality and style. This versatile grip features a swappable top, allowing you to easily change designs or remove it entirely for wireless charging. It provides a secure grip, making it a breeze to text with one hand, snap better photos, or enjoy videos hands-free. Pair it with the PopSockets Pop Mount 2 to create a complete hands-free experience, perfect for video calls or streaming your favorite shows. The PopGrip is designed for compatibility with Pop Wallet Plus, Otter Plus Pop cases, and the Pop Power Home wireless charger, ensuring seamless integration with your existing accessories. Whether you're looking to add a pop of personality to your device or enhance its usability, the PopSockets Swappable PopGrip is a must-have for any Pixel 9 Pro owner. It's the perfect blend of convenience and customization. That was our top 7 picks for the must-have accessories for Google Pixel 9 Pro. We hope you have found the right one for yourself, and thanks for watching.